How to cancel Progressive Insurance online and via app. I am going to show you how you can easily cancel Progressive Insurance online and via app. First, open your Progressive account and make sure you are logged in. Depending on your insurance company, you may be able to cancel your policy by calling your insurer or agent. Some insurers may require you to sign a cancellation form because drivers must carry a minimum amount of auto liability coverage in nearly every state. Ensure you are covered with another company before you cancel your existing policy. Scroll down and click on Contact Us. Click on Send Email. Select a topic. You can also call customer service at the provided number. You can also chat with them by clicking on Start Chat. Type your message as Cancel Progressive Insurance, then click on Send. You will see a response indicating that if you are looking to cancel a current Progressive policy, they are sorry to see you go. Please call them at this number to make that change. If you are looking to cancel a non-Progressive policy, you can call your previous provider and let them know.